Imagine a world where creatures float like ghosts, where their bodies are so transparent that you can see their hearts beating, their organs pulsing, their very life in motion. Yet they survive miles beneath the ocean's surface, in total darkness, under pressures that would crush a submarine. These are the deep sea's ultimate masters of invisibility. Today, we're counting down the top 10 deep sea creatures with transparent organs, creatures that defy imagination, biology, and even logic itself. From squids whose hearts are visible to fish with fully see-through heads, prepare to witness the ultimate ghostly inhabitants of the abyss. As we descend into this alien world, remember, sunlight never penetrates here. Temperatures drop near freezing, and the pressure is hundreds of times greater than at the surface. Yet, life has found a way. From floating transparent shrimp to majestic glass squids, transparency is more than just a defense. It is a key survival strategy in this extreme environment. These creatures show us that evolution doesn't just adapt, it invents. At number 10, we start small, but mesmerizing. Tiny, transparent shrimps float silently in the abyss. Their exoskeletons are completely see-through, making their internal organs and digestive system visible. Imagine looking at a tiny living ghost, its heart beating faintly as it drifts in the cold, dark water. In a world without light, being invisible is survival. Predators swim past without noticing them, while these shrimps hunt with ghost-like precision. Some species even carry hollowed-out jelly barrels to hide and lay eggs. Evolution has made them efficient, lightweight, and almost undetectable hunters, optimized to thrive in the most extreme parts of the ocean. Scientists call these tiny critters deep-sea ninjas because of their stealth. Their transparency doesn't just protect them. It allows them to move and hunt without ever revealing their presence. Number 9 is the delicate sea angel, a winged sea slug gliding through polar waters. Despite its small size, its transparency is astonishing. You can see its digestive tract pulsate, muscles contract, and organs in motion. A ghostly ballet in icy blue currents. Sea angels are predators of tiny jellyfish, and their translucence helps them blend perfectly with a frigid environment. They float almost weightlessly, drifting silently as if time moves slower in their world. Did you know? Sea angels can survive weeks without food by slowing their metabolism. This resilience, combined with invisibility, makes them some of the most fascinating and enduring creatures in the polar deep sea. Watching one drift is like seeing a living, transparent feather carried by an invisible current. At number 8, we find something truly alien: chains of salps. These transparent barrel-shaped animals float passively, filtering plankton as they drift. Some chains extend for hundreds of meters, forming a living, transparent river in the darkness. Through their see-through bodies, you can see hearts pumping, digestive organs working, and muscles flexing in constant motion. Light passes through them, making them nearly invisible from above, while they play a critical role in ocean ecosystems, moving nutrients from surface waters to the deep. Salp chains can synchronize their movement as a single entity, like a ballet of glass in the ocean, a mesmerizing display of natural engineering. These chains also remind us that life in the deep sea isn't just about survival. It's about cooperation, adaptation, and elegance in the harshest conditions imaginable. Number 7 is the comb jelly, often mistaken for a jellyfish. Its translucent body is almost invisible in water, with cilia rows and internal organs visible. When light hits, it produces rainbow-like reflections, a natural optical display. Comb jellies are voracious predators, capturing tiny plankton with sticky cells called colloblasts. Their transparency is more than camouflage. It's a strategic adaptation, making them both deadly and ethereal. Imagine a living prism drifting silently in pitch-black water, pulsating with life. Some comb jellies can glow in bioluminescent flashes, a signal that can confuse predators or attract prey. A floating rainbow of light in the dark abyss, almost too beautiful to be real. In fact, their shimmering movements can sometimes be mistaken for underwater auroras by deep-sea explorers. Number 6. The Phronima is a barrel-dwelling amphipod. Its nearly transparent body reveals its beating heart, flexing muscles, and moving organs. Imagine a living alien spacecraft drifting silently, designed perfectly for the extreme environment of the deep. Phronima are cunning predators. They hollow out gelatinous jellyfish to create barrels, where they live and hunt. Transparency allows them to rotate, maneuver, and attack unseen, perfectly blending with the water around them. Marine biologists say Phronima look like tiny living spaceships, a surreal testament to the power of evolution in the deep sea. Watching one maneuver its gelatinous barrel is like observing a miniature submarine navigating an invisible labyrinth. Halfway at number 5, we have larvaceans, tunicate-like animals living inside enormous mucus houses. Their transparent bodies and visible organs create a ghostly effect inside these gelatinous structures. The houses themselves can be 10 times the size of the larvacean, acting as both protection and a filtration system for plankton. When the houses break down, they sink to the ocean floor, creating marine snow, feeding countless deep-sea creatures. Larvaceans show that transparency is not just camouflage. It is survival, feeding, and even shaping the ecosystem. Their delicate floating architectures resemble miniature crystal castles, drifting silently in the abyss. Number 4 highlights individual salps, barrel-shaped, gelatinous, and almost invisible. Their transparent bodies make hearts, digestive tracts, and muscles clearly visible, pulsating as they propel themselves through the water. Their mesmerizing movement is not just beautiful, it's a highly efficient survival mechanism. Transparency ensures predators rarely spot them, allowing these filter feeders to thrive in both tropical and polar oceans. Salps can contract up to 70 times per minute, pumping water to move while feeding, almost like living, transparent pumps in the deep sea. Each pulse is a testament to precision engineering by evolution itself. Number 3 is the legendary glass octopus, one of the rarest deep-sea inhabitants. 95 to 98% of its body is transparent, including its internal organs and heart. Living 600 to 1,500 meters below the surface, it drifts silently, hunting small crustaceans. Its ghostly appearance and near invisibility make it nearly impossible for predators to spot. Only a handful of live recordings exist. Watching it move is like witnessing a living ghost floating in an alien world, completely adapted to darkness and pressure. With each gentle wave of its arms, it vanishes and reappears, an ephemeral shadow in the abyss. At number 2, the burroweye fish astounds with a completely transparent head. Its bright green tubular eyes rotate to follow prey, while the rest of its mostly translucent body shows internal organs in motion. Found at depths of 600 to 800 meters, barrel-eye fish were once mistaken for aliens because of their see-through helmets. Their unique adaptation allows them to navigate in darkness and capture prey undetected. Scientists discovered that these fish can tilt their heads upward without moving their bodies, a design optimized for stealth and survival in the abyss. The eerie green glow of its eyes piercing the black water is one of nature's most astonishing adaptations. Finally, number 1. The glass squid. Almost entirely transparent, its digestive and circulatory organs, as well as its heart, are visible in real time. Living up to 2,000 meters deep, glass squids combine transparency with bioluminescence, flashing light to communicate, attract prey, or confuse predators. Watching one glide through the dark is like seeing a living ghost drifting silently through an alien world. Some glass squid species can adjust transparency and glow, effectively shape-shifting in the deep sea, making them masters of invisibility. Every flicker of light, every invisible movement is a reminder that the ocean holds secrets far stranger than any science fiction. The deep sea is a place of endless mysteries. From transparent shrimps to ghostly octopuses and the glass squid, evolution has perfected invisibility in ways that challenge our imagination. These creatures teach us that survival is not just about strength, it's about cunning, adaptation, and sometimes sheer elegance. Which of these living glass creatures amazed you the most? And what other deep-sea marvels do you think remain hidden, unseen, in the darkness? Share your thoughts, because the abyss is full of secrets yet to reveal, waiting for the next daring explorer to discover.